Guys, look at this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel has 9,000 subscribers, and this channel shares its earnings on her other channel. She is earning over $300 per month with only 60,000 monthly views.
40,000 naira! I'm rich.
See, another channel, this channel has 6 million subscribers and is earning over $1,000 per month without showing their face. So, in this video, I will show you how to actually make money online without showing your face by YouTube automation. Open your browser and go on deepseek.com and tell DeepSeek to give you a horror story script. Then, you see DeepSeek is generating our horror story script for our video. Now copy our script. Now we need a voiceover of our script. So open another website called 11 Labs. After opening the 11 Labs website, go to text-to-speech and paste your script in this box. Now, from right side, select your voiceover character. Then click on Generate Speech. And download voiceover using download button from right side. We now have our voiceover, but to make our video more engaging, we need background music. So let's see where to find it. Go to this website called Chosic, then click on Download Free Music and click on the Horror category. Now here you find copyright-free music. Click on music which you like and download it. We now have our voiceover and background music. Now we need video footage, so let's see where to get it. Go to this website called pixabay.com and search here what type video footage you need. Then click on video and download it. We now have everything, so let's edit our video. Open your editing app. I'm using InShot. Then add your video footage. Now let's add our background music. Just click on the audio icon and select our background music. And adjust volume. Then add our voiceover. Now let's export our video and see the final result.
The house at the end of Willow Lane had been abandoned for decades. Its windows were shattered, its paint peeled like dead skin, and the garden was a tangled mess of thorns and weeds. Still, when Emma moved in, she thought it was charming, full of potential.
So guys, I hope you understand how to actually make money online without showing your face with YouTube automation. Remember, growing on YouTube needs discipline and consistency.